This is Rajarao PBV, Department of CSC, PVCC Vadalru. Today I am going to discuss about software testing. Related to here, software testing is the process of finding defects in the software so that these can be debugged and the defect-free software can meet the customer needs and expectations. Here, the intention of software testing process is to produce defects-free software. Here, software testing is one of the most important phase in software development life cycle. Testing is performed at each modification in the system. Testing is done with test cases. Here, a test case is a set of test data and test criteria that helps to determine the right or wrong behavior of the system. So, related to here, a quality software can be achieved through testing. Effective testing reduces maintenance cost and provides reliable outcomes. Here, example of ineffective testing, the Y2K problem. The intention of software testing is process to produce a defects-free software. Related to here, first of all, what is a testing? What is a software testing? Here, software testing is a process of identifying the correctness of software by considering its all the attributes like reliability, scalability, portability, reusability, and usability, and evaluating the execution of software components to find the software bugs, errors, or defects. Here, why software testing is important? Testing is important because software bugs could be expensive or even dangerous. Software bugs can potentially cause monetary and human loss, and history is full of such examples. Like Nissan cars have to recall over 1 million cars from the market due to software failures in airbag sensor defects. There has been reported 2 accidents due to this software failure. One more is Starbucks was forced to close about 60% of stores in the US and Canada due to software failures in its POS system, point of sale. At one point, store served coffee for free as they unable to process the transaction. Like testing fundamentals. Here, testing provides a systematic approach to find the defects in a software. Here, an error-free software may fail in performing the required task. The main goals of software testers is to locate and debug the defects. Here, testing activity task much effect to compare to other activities of software life cycle. Related to in this scenario, we are performing 3 types of activities like errors, faults, and failures. Here, the purpose of testing is to produce a reliable software. Here, software reliability is the measure of success with which the observed behavior of a system conform to a specification of its actual behavior. Related to here, like error. Error also known as variance, mistake, or problem. Fault. Fault is the cause of an error. Fault is also called defects or bugs in manifestation of one or more errors. Then one more is failure. Failure is the deviation of the observed behavior from the specified behavior. It occurs when the faulty code is executed, leading to an incorrect outcome. Thus, the presence of faulty may lead to system failures. Here the cost defects. Here testing becomes more costly if the errors are not taken care in the earlier phase. In this case, defects increases in multiple additions to the defects from previous phases. Here the cost of defects at various phases of software development. As the development proceeds, the occurrence of number of defects and their seriousness increase. Therefore, the cost of detecting and fixing the defects increase in the software development life cycle, and maximum number of defects is reported during testing and release. Related to here, one more is this is the diagrammatical representation of the cost of defects like requirements, designing, coding, testing, and release. Then one more is testing process. Here, testing is a disciplined process of finding and debugging defects to produce defects-free software. Here, during testing, a test plan is prepared that specifies the name of the module to be tested, a reference module, date and time, location, name of the test, testing tools, etc. Software tester runs the program using test cases according to the test plan and observe the test results. Here, software engineers design the test cases while writing the source codes. Testers may also involve the test case design. Test case includes the input, output, and the conditions. Here, one more is the roles of software tester. Earlier, software development was the sole responsibility of software engineers only. Nowadays, distinction has been drawn between the software engineers and the software testers. Software engineers write source code and testers test code. Even high value software companies have separate testing departments. Related to here, software testers does the follow the task for testing the software, like prepare the test plan and test data, design test cases and test scripts, set up test environment, perform testing, then track the defects in the defects management system, participate in the test case review meetings, prepare a test report, follow the software fundamentals, follow software standards. Related to here, first of all, we are going to discuss about skills of a testers. Here, skills of a tester: understanding of the business scenario, background of programming as a software engineer, knowledge of testing tools and its environment, skills for writing test cases and test case execution, skills as a planner for preparing test plan, good analysis skills, skills to work with other team members, problem solving skills, good communication skills. Here, software testers performs testing using software testing tools. There are various automated tools for testing such as LoadRunner, JMeter, DBmonster, TestTube, WinRunner, Pounder, Marathon, and so on. The success of an automated tools depends on the design of a test cases. These are the few software testing tools. Then one more is test planning. Here,